India is struggling with the increase in number of COVID cases and many states are imposing lockdowns and curfews, but still the panic is being prevailed among the people and they are in a situation where they consider themselves into a negative aura. So as a medico, it also becomes my prime responsibility to let you all know what are the basic measures which you can take so that you can maintain a very positive mental health during the COVID-19 situation. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. Hello everyone, thanks so much for watching ATP, that is Among the Pages, where I talk about the books and the content written among their pages. Well, if you're for the first time in here, then this is Achut Murari. I'm a medico and an Instagram poet, and I talk about the books and personal development tips over this channel, so make sure you're subscribing for more such bookish content. In this video, we'll be describing about the 7 practical tips which you can be following even staying at home when you need to be maintaining a very positive mental health during the pandemic situation. And out of them, the number 1 is stay connected. It is better whenever we are being isolated because of this virus. It is better if at all you speak with your family, friends or your nearest kin, maybe virtually or through your mobile phones, but please stay connected. Use social media as a platform so that you can connect with your friends, make newer friends, make new connections, and try to speak to them, try to understand their situation, and try to express yourself in a very different manner. Whenever you share your feelings with anyone, it always keeps your mind in a very equilibrium state and a very positive manner. So the second practical tip which I found very much useful is indulge into a hobby. My hobby as such was poetry and reading books, and out of which I have created this YouTube channel. But if at all you have any hobby pertaining to painting or maybe any other indoor hobby, you can always pursue them whenever you are staying home. Scientists have found that pursuing a hobby always decreases the anxiety issues within ourselves, and also it creates a situation of self-proclamation and removes the very essence of self-doubt from you. So please pursue any new hobby. But unfortunately, if any of your hobby is pertaining to outdoors, such as playing cricket or moving outside, roaming on the roads, or maybe something taking a long drives, please avoid doing them, because you see, moving out at least at this point of juncture is a really bad idea. And for those people whose hobby is basically related to going outdoors, a very easy escape plan which leads us to the number 3 practical tip is learn anything new. Just scrolling through Instagram or YouTube may not be fruitful. Rather, you can learn new things. You can learn new courses being offered freely by great universities over the platform. And if at all you are not into education, you can learn new skills such as photoshopping, such as video editing, and many more which are being freely offered by many websites over the internet. So you can always use the internet in a positive manner and bring a lot of positive changes in your life. I know for extroverts, this time is literally tough. For people who love engaging with others, for people who love to speak, to try to explore and try to explicitly talk with a lot of friends, and who especially are having a large friends group, it is really tough to stay all alone during these tough times. You can obviously be watching movies which deal with, you see, a lot of outdoors. You can always read books which clearly talk about traveling, which clearly talk about many destination points. There are many books which I have recommended in my YouTube channel, which pertaining to travel, which are related to somewhere about new world, which are related to destination points, which are related to a lot of outdoor genre. So you can always check all the YouTube playlists over my channel so that you can find some great book recommendations which are related to outdoors, such as, you see, there are a lot of books which deal with new world, as such the Earthsea trilogy, which deals about the Earthsea continent. You can always feel something new coming towards yourself if at all you're an extrovert. Speaking about extroverts who have a large friends group, it is always better to please avoid the friends who spread rumors. Rumors spread faster than the virus itself. It is better if at all we avoid such people at all costs and try to stay focused on our work rather than those people. Giving attention to those people and rumors always causes a very negative mental balance within ourselves, and this can lead to literally disaster. With starting off the each day, always feel that you are blessed that you have been staying alive, you are able to breathe happily, and you are alive. So this brings us to the very much 5th point of where you can be staying with a positive mental health balance, and that is trying to be staying optimistic about the future. No situation prevails forever. Everything comes to an end and everything has a full stop eventually. So even this scenario, even this era which has been caused by the virus or fear which has been prevailing during the second wave, especially in India, this too shall be ended and we shall win over that. Whenever you are having such a positive attitude or an optimistic behavior, you always tend to be having a very productive life, and also you will be having a very positive mental health balance. added to the fact, whenever you just wake up, feel that you are able to breathe in as much as air into your lungs, and you feel that you are able to breathe freedom. You are able to breathe when a lot of population is not able to breathe properly, and there has been oxygen scarcity, that is a medical oxygen scarcity. You literally are able to breathe a lot, and you are free to do that. So feel the bliss of staying alive, feel the bliss of happily able to pursue whatever you want to do while you are staying alone in your place. And also, you see, follow simple tips of doing simple exercises like small stretchings, like a small meditation, or maybe a bursts of meditation, which always, or bursts of pranayama, which always keeps you involved into a work, and your body always feels that it is actually working rather than just sleeping over your bed and putting it into a very lazy mode. Till now we have been talking about if at all you are staying alone at your home, or if at all you are staying captivated as such in your home. But the situation is not like that. Throughout India, despite many states have been imposing lockdowns, many states have been imposing curfews, but there are many states which still not have taken any such measure. As such, all the institutions are open and all the normal public activities are going on. So pretty much this brings us to the narrower point that many people still need to step out of their home to earn their bread. So we just cannot stop them, we just cannot force them to stay at home and earn bread as such. For earning bread, for their food, for their requirements, they need to step out of their home. I clearly understand their predicament, but never mind, I still have a small, very easy tip for them how to stay positive if at all they are forced to go outside, and that pretty much brings us to the point that we can always encourage them. For the people who are staying at home, for the people who are dependent on the bread earners, you always need to be supporting them. You need to be creating a positive atmosphere for them, and always be sure that you're checking your symptoms at everyday basis. May it be your oxygen saturation in your blood, may it be the number of heartbeats, or may it be how you're able to breathe, or may it be the sensation of your gustation or olfaction, that is smell and taste. So these are the very small basic things which you can always measure even you can staying at home. And for them, the only basic measure which we can take is masks up, usage of sanitizers, do not socialize, like as such, to avoid social gatherings, and please avoid people who spread rumors. And the most important is we must be creating a very positive ambience around them, and this always creates a positive mental health balance for the people who need to be going outside, and that is a must and compulsion for them, but not a choice. So social media has been the greatest help, at least during these times. There are a lot of waves going on in social media where people are seeking help, and they indeed are receiving help from many hands. So it's better you follow social media in a very positive manner, spread tips and health related content on social media rather than rumors. I guess all these tips pretty much will be able to keep your mental health status always in a positive manner, will be giving you a hope that we all will be crossing this. And apart from that, if at all you are indeed infected with COVID-19, please do not panic as such. Each person who has been contracted with COVID-19 does not require oxygen cylinders or does not require a hospital admission. You can indeed self-quarantine, or you can go into home isolation, and you still can be treated with that. Always, if at all you are staying at home, follow all these basic tips apart from the medical health tips which are being provided to you by your medical professional, that is a doctor who is treating you. Please try to believe them. Try to believe the people who are trying to save you. So please believe the prescription given by the doctor. Try to follow every aspect which has been told to you by your doctor and believe upon them. And apart from that, if at all you are in the age of vaccination, and if at all the circumstances are being in a positive manner where you are able to get vaccinated by the hospital, and there's a stock of vaccine in the hospital or the healthcare center which you are staying at, always go and get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. I know the fact that there has been a lot of scarcity of even vaccines in the many parts of this country, but still, if at all you are having a chance of getting vaccinated, just rush and get yourself vaccinated. Until then, please wear your masks up and believe in the fact that we all are gonna cross this. Till the next video, bye bye.